hypnotize, hypnotize, hypnotize. Capture the whole attention of someone, to fascinate someone.
I'm magician Goga and I'm going to hypnotize you today.
Okay.
When I hypnotize you, you will do exactly what I tell you to do. Now look at this coin. Now follow it. Now you are falling sleepy. Now you are asleep. Now what am I going to make you do? Now scratch your nose. Wiggle your fingers. Jump. And now, when I count 3, you will wake up. 1, 2, 3, and wake up.
Oh, Magician Goga, what did you do?
I hypnotized you. You were doing exactly what I was telling you to do.
What did I do?
Well, that's for you to find out. Bye-bye.
Let's use hypnotize in a sentence now. The magician hypnotized the girl with the help of a coin.